for making masala tea, or we can call it Karak tea. This is for 4 people, so I'm using around 15 cardamom pods, 4 cardamom per teacup, and then I'm adding fresh ginger, around 20 grams, peeled and sliced. I'm going to crush it now together. The milk is around 4 cup, and if you need to have it thinner, you can add a bit of water, otherwise it's good enough. I'm using full cream milk. Now adding the crushed mixture. Now adding loose tea leaf. You can use the black teas. Loose one is better for Kadak tea or masala tea. This is 4 tablespoonfuls. Now mix it. Why I'm doing this in cold water, so it soaks nicely, and then we boil it. It gives nice color and everything gets infused properly. Now put it on the stove, bring it to a boil. The tea mixture. Once it starts boiling, I'm adding a pinch of salt, or less than a quarter. Now adding sugar. It's around 4 teaspoon, 4 to 5 teaspoon. Ideally 1 teaspoon per cup. So see, nice color is coming. So we can cook it for a minute or 2 till the color is a bit more darker, and then we can strain it off. So now it's strained. You can see smooth tea, amazing flavor, aromatic. Now the crucial bit is, you need to do like this, So mix the tea like in a traditional way. Just pour it from the top. So that forms an amazing emulsion. Good flavor and taste, all infused together. And that's why they do like this. Now pour it into a nice teacup from the top.